All right, guys, beautiful, really super thick door there on the front. I'm gonna start with the floors. Nice hardwood floors. These are in great shape. I believe these are all the originals. And we're gonna do a little bit of panoramic view. This was used as an office here, and I'm going to show you these doors. I think are original. They're super heavy, and even the hardware looks original, but they're pocket door systems. So a lot of fireplaces. There's 6 or 7, I think, total in here. Some beautiful built-in cabinetry in here for sort of a library or music room. All right, there we go. All right, we're going to take a counterclockwise approach to the house. So we're going to go to the, actually, I'll change my mind. We're going to go clockwise. I think that's maybe easier. Here's your stairway going up stairs. There's actually 2 stairway. It's a double stairway. It goes in there and then up here as well. A lot of transoms over most all the doors. Those were used to keep things cool in rooms, I guess, back in the day. And take a look at the flooring again. This could be used as a sitting room or living room area. This is the older part of the home. Fireplace there. Very tall ceilings, at least 10 feet. Also very good in the old days because the heat would carry to the top, back out to the porch right there. Of course, as traditional transom. And this is the second stairway going up. The house has a whole vac system. I can't show you good because of the lighting, but the whole vac is there on the right. And the plumbing was, I believe, all redone. You've got copper plumbing there. And up here is kind of an interesting spot. This is some of your electrical boxes are in there. And also the back sides of your fridge and ovens are here for servicing those. So again, some transom work, and some neat work on the stairs. All right, we're going to continue in. This would be considered the dining room. Has a fireplace as well. Big crown molding. And this was kind of neat right over here. Of course, a fireplace. I think all these that are working are gas. This is like a pass-through. So if you're like dining in here, I guess the staff could help you by passing things through or having food set up in here. And this is the area that had the fire. Most of the fire, as far as the main floor damage, was right over there on the far left. I'm going to stop right here for a second. There's a neat little stainless steel cubby here. And this granite is fantastic. The granite is really thick and really huge. Looking up, this is, again, most fire damage was in here and smoke was in here. This right here is an incredible workspace for the kitchen. It is an island. It has 3 huge pieces of granite that make that up. Over to your right, of course, you'll see the cabinetry here. And further over is our Sub-Zero and Vulcan stove systems over there. Coming to our left, as we promised, lots of fireplaces. There's a fireplace. Beautiful brickwork all the way up. And here's your kitchen window looking out. What used to be the garage out there. Now it's a pile of rubble. That's where the main fire was. Cabinetry is custom made. You see the glass in there, and that's kind of neat. There is your dishwasher, and this should slide automatically, but there's no electric on it, or not automatically, but easy. That's a under counter microwave. Let you see this counter there. You've got a pot filler here, and a Viking. I said Vulcan. It's Viking series professional hood, as well as stovetop. And here was a bar, and also Viking ovens right here. semi-commercial, really. Probably better than some commercials. The only water damage I've seen is this board right here is lifted up. So that would have to be dealt with. This is gorgeous right here. And let you look back. Here is a little wine cellar. Keep your wine in there. Keep it under lock and key. This was a double patio door going out to a patio right outside. And this, of course, was the bar. You've got an ice maker back here, a wine cooler, a mini fridge. That's your dishwasher here, and that's your ice maker and sink there. Again, this is really thick tops on here. I'm going to do a pano here and let you see these cabinets are open. Wine racks and so forth there. There's the fridge. All the windows were replaced as well. These are modern windows. Some need replacing from the fire damage. This was basically a pool room and bar. They had not a swimming pool, but a pool table here. There's a bathroom here, but it's kind of dark because the power is not on. But you can't really peek in there. There's the restroom right there, toilet there. This was kind of your entertainment area. This has, of course, flat screen TV, surround sound, and it had curtains for closing that off, kind of give that movie room experience. Oh, there's a fireplace. So now we came full circle, and this was all custom cabinetry here. We've came full circle to the entrance again. I'm going to stop the camera, and then we're going to head upstairs.